All right, we got a Quadlock with the anti-vibration damper. This is the charging one. We're gonna be doing an install today with the battery tender coming from the battery. 2022 ZX6R, let's do it. All right, this is very, very clean in here. We're gonna try to keep it that way. I have the battery tender over here, obviously red on red, black on black. I got a USB-C that we're gonna fish underneath the tank, and then we will install the actual Quadlock device. Now we got the black. Again, nothing too crazy. There's no point. These aren't going anywhere. All right. Now I'm going to fold these up, tuck them down in there nice and pretty, and then we're going to fish that wire. All right, so I got this wrapped up nice and pretty. So I'm just going to sit right down there like that. I'm going to pull this back up here. I'm trying to decide where I want this to sit. Let's just sit somewhere nice. Maybe even on the battery. I think that is honestly what I'm going to do. This is pissing me off. Alright, so just sit down here like this. Like that. On there. Piece right here. And then I'm going to stick it right on the battery. Then I'm going to run the wire over here for a really good sleek look underneath the fairings, and it's going to come up actually underneath the tank. It's going to be really good. I think I actually might want it to go, yeah, I guess I'll go this way. Right here. Alright, so every bike is different. So Kawasaki has factory industrial Velcro here. So what I did was I took this off of up here underneath the clip-ons, and then I detached this whole fairing right here, and there's actually a groove beside your tank. So what I did was I fished the wire, you know, underneath the groove and separated it from the plastic in the frame and the tank, and now I have it just chilling up here. What we're gonna do is we are going to put the actual mount for the Quadlock on wherever I put it. Here it is. So this is what mine looks like. I took parts from my old one and parts from my new one, and this puts ram mount to shame. It's actually not even freaking close, like not even remotely close at all. But anyway, I'm going to fish it down in here. It's going to go in nice and easy, and I'm going to tighten it just a little bit. It's metal on metal, and there's grooves here, so you don't need to over tighten it because it's not rubber like ram mount. It's going to stick, so you barely have to tighten it, and it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to figure out the best angle, and then I'm going to do that right now. Already fashioned it in, they're already in there. I just got to tighten it. Nothing crazy. This piece. Put it right here. And I'm going to fashion my Quadlock right there. There's different ways to put the damper on. You can adjust it any way you want. So again, you just have to figure out what your sweet spot is. My sweet spot's going to be right here. So I got where the charging port comes in there, and the power button is on top. So it's going to be just a really good fit for me right here. To make sure that it's not going to make contact, and it won't. Cool. You can see that little blue light is on, hopefully. There's a button here. It doesn't drain your battery because you can turn it off, and you can turn it on. So here we go. I'm going to put my phone on, and it is charging. That is what I'm